When it comes to fire alarms, Nightwatch Security and Telephone is ready to help. Whether you need a fire alarm for your home or business, we'll design a system that meets your needs. And with 24/7 365 monitoring, you'll always know immediately if something isn't right. We even offer the ability to remotely view and control your system, so don't delay. Call to discuss the fire alarm protection your property needs today.